Copper pipe pressing tool kit. Preparations before crimp. Cut. Deburr. Fit. Install the jaw. How to crimp. Press with impact wrench. Face a side to operator clockwise till white LED lights. Face B side to operator anti-clockwise to loosen. Press with impact wrench. Push the 22mm socket firmly onto the impact wrench. Gently squeeze the tightening trigger until the LED light illuminates. Switch impact wrench to loosen mode to release the press tool. How to crimp in tight corners. Remove the pin. Remove the nut.